Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can dress like Princess Clara from Barbie and the Nutcracker. Okay, let's get into it guys. The outfit will look like this and I'm going to show you how I created this outfit. Okay, first of all guys, you can choose this hairstyle and also this one, and then you're going to color it with this color. This is for the color code. And then you're going to choose this necklace and color it with this gold color, and also this crown from the VIP room, color it with this color. And then you're going to choose this corset, and for the first selection you can color it with this color, and for the second selection make it the same color, and for the third selection you're going to color it with this color, and the last selection choose this color as well. Okay, and the next one guys, I'm going to go to the changing room and I'm going to choose the skirt from Madoka set. Okay, this one. Okay guys, and you're going to color it with this color, this pink color, for all the selection. I'm just going to make it this pink. Okay, like this. And you can remove the bow. I'm just going to choose no bow, and then don't forget to change the material to glitter. Okay, and sorry guys, sometimes my glitter is not working, but if the glitter can appear, it will be so beautiful. Okay, and I'm going to choose the Myra heel, and I'm going to color it with this color. Okay, just make it this color. Okay, and we're going to go to the VIP room because we need an item from here. We can choose this item. Okay, and then I'm just going to color it with this pink color, same as this skirt. Alright, and then I'm going to make it glitter. I'm going to make it glitter for the lace and also the butterfly. Sorry, for the second selection, you're going to color it with the same color. Okay. Okay guys, and now it's done. This is for the final result. Okay, and that's all the way to dress like Princess Clara from Barbie in the Nutcracker and Dress to Impress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!